Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and this is Ron again from wapinas.com, wahpinas.com. And we finally got our hands on the TV Plus Go. Matagal na ko na itong hinahanap, ano? And we've tried looking for it online and no one is selling it. The only way you can get it is from Cellboy stores in any SM mall. The problem is Mega Mall I don't think has one, so I had to go all the way to South Mall to get one kasi nandun na din naman ako. And we got it only for $799. Yan. Okay, $799. Okay? So, ito yung resibo. $799. Binili po natin to, hindi po binigay sa atin. So, we're gonna open it up. It was opened yesterday when we went there kasi they wanted to check the antenna kung ano nangyari, no? Baka mamaya may balik ko. Okay? First of all, you need to download the app, which I haven't done. Okay, so we're gonna do it now while we're unboxing it. TVPlus Go. Okay, so if you search it, meron talaga siya, ayan, TV Plus. Okay, we're testing out using a light box this video. Kasi medyo maliit, no? So I'm having a hard time. I'm gonna try to look for a TV. Light box is bigger. Okay, so download the app. Okay, plug it into a ano ito? Micro USB phone. Okay, hindi siya type C. Problema ko, almost all my phones are type C already. So we'll probably try it with a tablet. Pwede kaya to? Hopefully it works with the tablet. So we also download the app on the tablet. Why did I download it on my Poco phone? It's not gonna work because it's type C. Okay, if your phone is a type C, you're gonna need to use a OTG converter, pero yung OTG converter na data. Okay, register on the app and then watch. Okay, minimum system requirements: Android 5.0 higher, at least 1 GB RAM, micro USB OTG, dual core processor or higher. So hopefully my tablet works. You should have ABS-CBN, Cinemo, DZMM, hindi ko alam kung ano yan, Sports Center, and Knowledge Channel, plus other TVs daw that are available online. Okay, na digital channel. Okay, so we're gonna remove that. Okay, wait. The antenna. Okay, and the actual device itself. Okay, so may warranty siya. One of the things that the girl explained to me when I bought this, 7 days replacement warranty. Okay, and 3 months repair from date of purchase sa mga service center. And the list of the service centers are here. Okay, nyo. Ayan. Okay, NCR, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Pause nyo na lang. Okay? So we're gonna pause it for a while. We're gonna download the app on the tablet that I have. Ngayon, narinig nyo, nagpiping na siya kasi on lang. Wait lang. Okay, we'll be back. Apparently, my tablet cannot support TV Plus. I don't know why. I tried even downloading it on the phone and sending it to the tablet. Didn't work. So we changed the cameras. I'm now using the Poco phone to take this video. So if you notice differences in the video quality, let me know. The first part was the Mia Go. So we've downloaded the app. We're opening it now. Okay. And there it is, TVPlus Go, best for out of home. Allow access. Okay. Yes. Okay, welcome kapamilya. Makamanod mo na. Okay. Register now. Okay. Siguro rin nakakabit ng maayos sa TVPlus Go. Okay. So what we do now is we get the TVPlus Go. Okay. I think you just put it. Wait. How does this work? Okay. So you remove this back part. Okay. And you screw it in here. I think so. So let's see. No, does it work? Okay. Kasi yan yung antenna. So, yun nga, screw mo dito dapat. Tusok lang, hindi siya screw. Okay? So, yan yung antenna. Ingat kayo mga kaibigan kasi baka ma-bend, okay? So, we're gonna plug it into the phone already. Okay. Okay, wait. Yan, no. So, nung kinabit ko, nabasa siya ng phone. Always open. Okay. Ang phone mo ay TV na rin. Okay. Okay, naka-plug in here. Register now. So, wait natin kumabit siya. Okay. I was gonna ask you phone number, name, optional age. Okay, we're gonna pause this video, of course. I don't want to give out my number to everyone. Wait. We're gonna get a pin. Ayan, natanggap ko yung pin. So, we're gonna say that we got it na. Okay. So, verify. And agree to the terms and conditions. You just need to check it. Okay. And it says it's registering. Okay, successful. The app will restart. Wait, closed. So we're gonna open it again. Kita yung mga fingerprints ko sa screen. So it's taking a while. I think it's thinking. Okay, so now it's there. So mga kaibigan, nabibend naman po yung antenna, no? Okay. So see there, that's where you bend the antenna. There. Yeah, okay. So sabi, okay. While we're waiting, we'll put it there. Saka muna. Oh. What happened? Oh, something fell. Aray! Oh, shh. That na siya. Well, it says 3 channels na. 11. Hindi na gumalaw. 11 lang. %, it found 21 channels. So, okay. So, there it is. You can see it's working na. Channel. Tanggalin natin yung sound kasi baka ma-penalize tayo ni Google. Yan yung mga channels niya sa gilid. Wait. Okay, ito yung channel 2. The rest of the channels in the... Ay naman mapindot. Okay. So, how do I change channels? Hindi naman by the volume. Okay. Yan, kasi hindi nagbabasa ng manual. Wait, pause. Else, you simply have to tap, I don't know but mahirap siya kanina. Pero, yan now you can change channels just by tapping the not available daw. Okay. By just tapping the channels. Weak signal, yan. Oh, may telenovela, okay. Okay, so may shopping, GMA, dalawang GMA, hindi ko alam kung cable, not available daw. Knowledge channel. So it's better kung if you're outside, kasi I'm inside the room, kaya medyo mahina yung signal. So that's it for the quick unboxing and setup of the TVPlus Go. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments box. Thanks guys, bye!